Like, wow. Freaking gorgeous.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and gave it.
So let's go ahead and get started with this wig review. I already did my ball cap, and I use this foundation right here. I didn't say that in my last review, but I did the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in the color 765 Tawny, and this is for all of you new girls that are on my channel. This is the foundation that I use on my ball caps because it fits my face to the T, like on point. So let's go ahead and get into this wig review. So this one is going to be by Outre. It's a perfect hairline 13x6 lace wig. It is fully hand tied. It does have the fake scalp. It does have HD lace, and it is KATYA. And I did get the Havana Brown, which is going to be this shade right here in the middle. And then this is going to be the back. It just has your instructions and hair care guide. And then this is going to be the stock card up close. Then you have your inside, and then of course there is going to be your back. So this is how the color is going to look. So to me it's a brown, but it's like almost like a auburn brown color. Almost looks like a 30. And it does have like a lot of dimensions and stuff in it. So the hair starting off feels so freaking silky and pretty. It is going to be a natural Yaki. Like, look at that. It is very, very, very pretty. And then you can see a little bit of texture in this unit. So you are going to get the fake scalp in there. And then you are going to have two combs that are going to be at the top. You do have a comb at the back with the adjustable straps, and then they do give you this elastic band, and it is not adjustable. As far as the lace, it is going to be a light brown lace, and then of course they do have the perfect hairline, which is going to be pre-plucked with baby hairs. So let's go ahead and put this wig on. And I mean, when I tell you this hair is so freaking silky, this hair is so freaking silky. Like, the texture is bomb at this point. It is freaking bomb. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this hairline. So that is what the hairline is looking like so far. The hairline does look good on this unit. It does look good on this unit. And then as far as this one, they put the fake scalp towards the back. So you do have about this much away from the fake scalp. And then the fake scalp, it doesn't look extremely bad like it usually would. So if you want to leave that in there, you could. You just have to, of course, put some powder in there. Me, on the other hand, I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. I just like to cut out the fake scalp because I just don't really care for it. But yeah, that is what this hairline is looking like. Like, the hair is very pretty. I am getting some shedding with the hair. I am getting a couple of strands here and there with the shedding, but the hair color is very, very pretty. I really like it. At first I thought I wasn't gonna like it because I'm not a big fan on brown hair. I love, love, love black hair, so I personally don't like brown hair on me, but I like this one because it kind of looks like a red auburn kind of color. So it is very, very pretty. So I'm trying to think if I'm gonna keep the baby hairs or not, because I don't really like baby hairs on colored units, and this one kind of is towards the color because it looks red and then it looks auburn. So I really don't like baby hairs on this kind of unit. So I'm feeling like I'm gonna pluck it out altogether, and I want just more of a hairline on this kind of unit versus baby hairs. But the hairline is very phenomenal. You don't have to pluck the hairline if you don't want to. But I'm gonna go ahead and start by cutting out the fake scalp just to see what it's going to look like first. So I did go ahead and take out that fake scalp. So I did apply my foundation, the one I did show you. I apply foundation on the top and on the bottom. So that is, I feel like the lace just melts right into the skin. So it looks like really good with the lace. With this hairline, I'm gonna like pluck out the entire baby hairs and frontal because I really just want it to be I don't know, I just want it to look like scalp, but then I don't want any baby hairs whatsoever. Even like right here, like on the sides where you do the swoops, I want no baby hairs. So yeah, I'm gonna just pluck out all the baby hairs if I can find my tweezers. And then for me, if you are new to my channel, I like to do the ball cap method. And then so if I could find it, because it looks really good. Okay, so you see like right here, I have that ball cap. I like to follow around it. So since the hair is right there shaping it, I will leave it there. But the hair like right here on the sides, as you see, I pull right there and it's not following that hairline. This is the hair that I will pluck out. So all of this hair right here, I am going to pluck out. And then as for the top, I do it the same way because I wanted to follow my natural hairline. So I'm going to do that now since I did pull out that hair. And so I like to start out with plucking out all the hair that's in front of my hairline, and then after that I do go in and tweeze the hairline to kind of thin it out, because as I'm taking away this hair, this is the hair that they actually pre-plucked for you, and I'm pulling all of that out. So I'm basically having to kind of do the pre-pluckation because I'm messing it up. And once again, you do not have to do this. Me personally, I love for all of my wigs to look realistic. If I didn't say that, I love it. When I put on all these units and I leave my house, wherever I'm going to spray it down. But you only have to do this process one time. Once you get your wig how you want it to get it to look like, after that you don't have to keep doing this. Usually I can put on a wig cap, and because of how I did my hairline, it looks good. I don't have to go through the ball cap method again. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking out all of this hair right here, because this is the hair that I don't want. Be careful right here on the sides because there's not a lot of hair, and I'm already pulling out majority of that hair. So do be careful when you are, you know, doing the sides, because it stops about right there. So you don't have that much hair to even be messing with to begin with. So I'm gonna go in with the Got to Be Glued in the yellow bottle, and I am going to put that on bottom, and then I will put my spray on top. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and take my KATYA waxing stick. What I'm trying to do now is see what all I need to pluck as far as the front. So I am gonna go ahead and take my hot comb and then kind of flat, like go through the top so I could see like what else needs to be plucked. Sometimes with like synthetic hair, it looks like you're not plucking a lot, and so the straightening comb kind of helps, you know, for me to see what all else I need to pluck, or if I even need to continue plucking. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off my lace. So I'm gonna go in my Murray's Edge Wax. This is what it looks like. I did the olive oil in my last video and I didn't like how it turned out. So I'm gonna see if this will look better on the edges. So I'm just gonna put it all over. So I think I do like that. I guess I'll see after I use the hot comb. And then I bought this Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Perfection Straightening Mist. This is what it looks like. I thought it was gonna be more oil based, like the Beyond Your what is it? Beyond Your Heat, like in the orange bottle. I usually use that. Beyond the Zone, the orange bottle. I usually use that, but they didn't have that at Sally's, so I got this. This right here to me feels like it has more water than oil, so I don't know if I really like it. I only sprayed it in my hand just to see how it felt, but I do like to use like a oil heat protecting spray because it gives the hair like a pretty nice shine. And I don't really like the water kind of based one, and that's what this one feels like. I should have got the Sleek and Shine like everybody uses. I got it on 10 instead of 5. And then I'm gonna take some Eco Styler gel just to kind of get the hair to look like a little separated, because I don't want to have to keep plucking it. And I probably should use my I'm gonna go in actually with my Got to Be Glued, so kind of that can give me like a stiff hold. And what I'm gonna do is just take this and kind of separate the hair. And so it'll kind of give it an effect that I plucked some more hair, because girl, I don't feel like plucking no more hair. Kind of like that. So can you see the difference? Oh, like that looks really good. Okay, so let's do the other side. I hope it come out, because I wasn't even intending on it to come out like that, but girl, that look real good. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with some holding spray so that we can hold that together. And then I'm gonna blow dry that. If you are not putting any makeup on, then this is the next step. I'm gonna go in with my face powder. So I think I'm gonna go in my Black Radiance medium to dark powder and use that sculpt shade. I think I'm gonna use that sculpt shade and see how that looks. So yeah, instead of using that color, I'm going to use my 362 Truffle. You don't want to use a powder that's your skin tone but has that little orange tint to it. So this one is very like on the neutral side. So I'm going to use this powder because it is going to help me take away that cast that you see. If you're going to put on like makeup after this, then you can skip this step, because of course you're going to put on your contour and that's going to cover that up. And it looks so freaking good. Oh my god, it looks so so freaking good. So freaking good, okay? Like, wow. Freaking gorgeous. Freaking gorgeous. So,
Ryan Little.
brown. So once again, this color is going to be Havana Brown. It is a natural yaki texture. The texture feels very, very pretty. I do like that. The color is like a auburn burgundy kind of color, so it's like a mixture of that. So when you look at it, you do have a lot of dimensions in the hair, which I do like. One thing about the color, it looks pretty right now, but if you go look at it like in natural daylight, the color kind of looks a little bit synthetic. So I think like a natural color in this unit will kind of probably look better than this one. This one looks really good, but like I said, if you go out in the daytime and stuff, it kind of looks synthetic. But right now, it doesn't look like that. It looks very, very good. So with this unit, I didn't get any tangling at the moment, but it kind of feels like towards the nape, that's where it is going to have tangles. It is a little bit tough to run your hands through it, just a little bit, but once you get it out, you see I can keep running my hands through it, but it does feel like towards the nape area, that is where it is going to tangle up at the most. Right here in the front, it is very silky. You can run your hands through it as many times as you want. This unit, when I first got it, I had a little bit of shedding. I did cut out the fake scalp, so that did cause a lot of shedding because there was hair sewn into the weft of the fake scalp. So if you do cut that out, be mindful that you are gonna have shedding. And then I pluck the heck out of this front, so of course I still have shedding from that as well. So the hair, it has been shedding. It's kind of died down a little bit, but here and there I still do have like a lot of strands, but it was shedding just a little bit when I first got this unit. This unit is going to be big head friendly. If you have a low hairline like I do, is not going to you actually have to pull the hairline down. So as you can see, I have it pulled down, but right here it is over my ear, so it's not behind my ear, it is actually over my ear. So that's how I have to wear this unit. For me, if I wanted to like cover up my actual hairline, I have to wear it over my ear. But yeah, that is for like us low hairline girls, just a little bit of tea. If you get this unit, you can pull it down. It is 6 inches worth of parting space, so even though I plucked out all of that hair that was in the front, it still kept me with a lot of parting space, so it still looks good. So with this unit, you can use heat up to 400 degrees with this unit. I did use it just to go ahead and flatten the part down, and like I said, there's 6 inches worth of parting space, so you could do side, middle, whatever you want to do with this unit. And there is lace along the front, so you can wear it half up, half down if you want to. So you can do a lot with this unit. But yeah, this is pretty much gonna be it. This is a pretty gorgeous unit. Me personally, I would have got this in a 1B because like I said, the color, it just looks a little bit synthetic, like in natural light. Other than that, this is a gorgeous unit. So I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up if you have any questions or comments. And this look right here, it will be posted in another tutorial. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.